So, do we all have that one brother, one sister, one friend, one close relative that when they give both of you food, the person will wait for you to finish theirs and the person will just be eating theirs slowly just to tantalize you? Today, what happened to my friend, what I did to my friend will surprise you. After eating my food, so many things, this girl was just still pinching her food and the thing was just tantalizing me. Oh, just go and take this meat. Yes, I know I do long truth. Yes, I wanted to take that meat. Finish your food now. She refused. Look at what I did to her. If I go that side, come back, you still dey shop this meat, I go collect am for your hand. Last warning, I'm going. I will tell you I'm coming back. Bring that meat. Bring this meat.